Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum to all parents and my dear students. Hope you all are fine and in good condition of Iman. Today we are going to do English task of day 1. We will read page number 52 and 53 and we will write on notebook concept of article a. So first of all open your reading book, English reading book, page number 52. We will read the article a. Look at the page of your book. Article a. I told you where we use the article a. We use article a with the words which starts with consonant. Consonants are 21. Consonants are the alphabetical letters other than vowels. We have 5 vowels and other than vowels rest of the letters are consonants. So we use article a for a singular noun that starts with consonant letters. So let's start reading. Listen, look and read. Look at the first picture. What is it? It's a tree and tree begins with letter T. T. T is a consonant. So what we will write here? We will write here a. Look at the next picture. What is it? It's a jug and jug begins with letter J. J and J is a consonant. It's not a vowel. So we will write article a. Now look at the third picture. What is in the picture? It's a duck and duck begins with letter D and D is not a vowel. It's a consonant. So what we use with consonant? We use article a with D, duck. So use article a because D is a consonant. A duck. Look at the next picture. What is it? It's a horse. And what we will write with horse? H is a consonant. Beginning letter is a consonant. So we will write article a. A horse. A horse. Look at the next picture. What is it? It's a kite. And kite begins with letter K. So what we will add with kite? We will add consonant. We will add article a because K is a consonant. K is not a vowel. So we will use article a. A kite. Look at the next picture. What is it? It's a cat and cat begins with letter C. C is a consonant letter. So we will use article a. A cat. A cat. Now start next page. Page number 53. Open page number 53 of your English reading book. So look at the first picture. What is it? It's a nest. Nest of a bird and nest begins with letter N. N is a consonant letter. So we will add article a instead of an. We use a nest. A nest. Look at the next picture. It's a flag. Flag of our country. And it has 2 colors, white and green. So flag begins with letter F and F is a consonant. So what we will use with consonant? Which article we will use? A. We use a with the consonant letters and F is a consonant. So we will use a flag. Now look at the next picture. It's a train and train begins with letter T and T is a consonant. So we will use article a train. Next picture is of a coil and coil begins with letter Q. Q is a consonant. So we will use article a coil. A coil. Look at the next picture. It's a rabbit and rabbit begins with letter R. R is a consonant. So we will use article a rabbit. A rabbit. Look at the next picture. It's a van and van begins with letter V. V is a consonant letter. So we will use article a van. Now look at the next picture. It's a strawberry. And what is the color of strawberry? Yes, red color. So strawberry begins with letter S and S is a consonant letter. So we will use article a strawberry. Next is a bus. Bus begins with letter B, it's a school bus and it begins with letter B. B is a consonant, so we will use article a bus. A strawberry, a bus. Look at the next picture. Here is a line and line begins with letter L. L is a consonant letter, so we will use article a line, a line. Next picture is of a zip and zip begins with letter Z and Z is a consonant, so we will use a zip, a zip. Look at the next picture, it's a parrot and parrot begins with letter P. P is also a consonant, so we will use article a parrot. Last picture is of a yak and yak begins with letter Y and Y is again a consonant, so we will use article a yak. So let's revise this page once again. A nest, a flag, a train, a coil, a rabbit, a van, a strawberry, a bus, a lion, a zip, a parrot and a yak. These are all singular nouns. They are single. That's why we are using article a. So now we will start writing practice on our notebook. So open your notebooks. First of all, we will do practice of article a. And you know where we use article a? With consonants. We use article a with consonants, with the words or nouns that begins with consonant letters. And what are consonants? B, C, D, F, G, H, J, K, L, M, N, P, Q, R, S, T, V, W, X, Y and Z. These are all out of 26 alphabets. We have 21 consonants. These are 21 consonants. And remaining 5 are vowels, A, E, I, O, U. So let's write a before the words beginning with a consonant letter. Look at the first picture. It's a flag. What we will use with flag? It starts with letter F. F is a consonant, so we will write a. We will write article a flag. So let's write a. You will write a in middle 2 lines, in second and third line. A flag. Next picture is of a kite and kite begins with sound with letter K. K is a consonant letter. So we will write here a kite. What we will write here? A kite, because it's beginning with K and K is a consonant. Next picture is of a tree and tree begins with letter T. T is a consonant. So what we will write here? We will write article a tree. So let's write a. Here we use a tree. These are all single things. That's why we are using article a. Next picture is of a jug and jug begins with letter J. And you know J is a consonant letter. So we will use article a. What we will use? A jug. Here is a single jug. So we will write a jug. So it was our today's task. After completing your task, you will say Alhamdulillah. Allah Hafiz students.